Hey guys, so I just did the walkthrough. Everything looks great. Essentially what you want to look for in a walkthrough is just to make sure that anything that you requested be fixed is obviously fixed. Also to make sure that there's no additional things left behind that shouldn't have been, maybe some additional furniture, trash. A lot of times in garages, sometimes they leave some stuff. It's really important to kind of get that at the beginning when you put in an offer to make sure that you're talking about, what you want left behind. In addition, you just want to kind of check on things, make sure there's no leak anywhere, make sure the toilet's flush, the water is running, if the water's on, and just make sure nothing's kind of left or anything that kind of seems off. So far, everything I've checked has worked out great. I do this because I have had times where a toilet doesn't flush and it just broke, or I've seen pipes taken from a winter property and there's water everywhere. Literally, things happen. And so that's why it's my job as an agent to make sure that you for sure are getting the property that you originally saw. Today I'm alone because the business sometimes, we need to go do things for our clients if they're not able to, and we're happy to do it. So just checked up on this property that's closing today, and everything looks great. So the next thing to do is close. I'll see you guys later.